Hey guys, Bladerboyz here, and today I just got the new, well, not the new, Drain Fafnir 8.0. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Okay, we got the stickers, the launcher string.
MLG!
Oh my god! It's Drain Fafnir, guys! I've been waiting for this day ever since I saw Beyblade Burst Evolution
Which was how long ago?
a few months ago.
Okay, cool. Go.
This is so satisfying, yo! Look at this! It's so cool! Let's get to the layer and disc! Let's get to it. Why to carrot, Tommy? Why? I almost opened it. Ugh, Carter told me why.
Why are you always lying? Let's watch him struggle. What is that face? Can you
Okay,
show
where's
us?
Longinus? We gotta use him as a knife.
No, not Longinus.
Okay, let's do this.
Guys, Longinus is a knife confirmed. This might take a while.
Okay, guys, I finally got it. This energy layer. Oh, the rubber. This is gonna spin steel. This rubber, it gives it spin steel ability. You probably already know. Okay, now let's get to this disc.
Ew. Ew. Good.
Okay, we got it. The 8 disc, yo, this is so heavy. Yo, this is gonna give it so much weight. Okay, let's put the stickers on. And battle the first to 3 points. Fafnir, Drain Fafnir will face Odax, O2. Let's do this. He's giddy. Okay, first battle. Ready, set. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Mislaunch by Odax. Okay, second battle.
That will not happen again.
Ready, set. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh. Fafnir has such amazing speed.
It's spin stealing. It's not fair.
He's spin stealing Odax's energy.
I want
Look
my
how fast
money.
he is. It doesn't even look like he's spinning. Look, and Odax is just like falling. Like Odax is just winning. Survivor finish.
So it scores 1-1.
Oh, see, it was halfway going to burst.
Because its burst is a 1.
It has a really low burst. So.
But the stamina makes it worth it. Unlike
Okay,
a Nubion.
second battle. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot.
Another mislaunch.
Another mislaunch. Wow, that launcher must suck. Or maybe
Yes.
it's the
No, it's just this launcher. This launcher sucks. If I use the string one,
Okay.
that would be good.
Second battle. Ready, set. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot.
This time I'll burst your Fafnir and end your hopes and dreams.
Bursted Odax. Oh my god, he's just spinning so fast. He's not doing anything. Odax is just a useless pawn in the battlefield.
It's so going so fast that it's making little turns. Like it can't even control its own energy.
Okay. Fafnir with the survivor finish.
Scores 2-1.
Third battle.
Fourth. Oh yeah.
3.
It scores 2-0.
3, 2, 1. Go shoot.
What? The launcher went out of the grip. No.
Okay. Advice: put your launcher above the stadium this time. That way it could go in.
Or
Okay. Ready, set. 3, 2, 1. Go shoot. Oh! It bounced off Fafnir. So that is a ring out finish.
What?
Fafnir wins 3-0. This Beyblade really is good after all. Drain Fafnir. I wonder what'll happen if he faces winning Valkyrie. Stay tuned for a winning Valkyrie versus Drain Fafnir battle. Okay, thanks for watching.